Welcome to EBCM. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement electronic brake control module, also known as the EBCM, in a Holden CG Captiva. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the EBCM tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module. We'll head over to the flashing tab. We'll then make sure we have a battery charger or maintainer fitted, and once we do, we'll go ahead and click right. In this situation, our battery voltage is a little bit lower than what you typically will see in our videos, simply because the headlights are on when we took this video. But a charger definitely should be fitted when doing any programming. Once the flashing sequence begins, the flashing does take typically around 30 seconds to about a minute. I have fast forwarded this section, but allow for about that time frame. Once it's done, we'll then see our finalization flash routine, and then finally we'll have a pop-up indicating the flash was successful. We'll go ahead, click OK, and then we'll head over to our learn functions where we have several functions to complete. Our first up is the configuration and setup. Just go ahead and click go. This takes only a few seconds to complete as well. There we go. Go ahead, click OK. Go over to the VIN security link function next. And finally, we'll do our steering angle sensor learn. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.